Come take a look at this 2013 BMW 7 Series. Carfax has certified this 7 Series as having one owner. This 7 Series has just under 4,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 28 on the highway. This 7 Series boasts a 3.0-liter engine, and has a 8-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 20" x 8.5 front and 20" x 10.0 rear double-spoke light alloy wheels, style 303M, ivory white black, Nappa leather seat trim, cold weather package, driver assistance package, executive package, luxury rear seating package, M Sport package and the rear entertainment package. Call 770-428-3993 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.